So our group's app is called Pantry. We designed this app to help foodies and newbies, professional chefs and professional eaters. So what that means is we want to target people who are both curious about cooking and want to get into meal planning and meal prep and all the aspects of cooking on their own, but also we want to target people who cook regularly and would be interested in hosting their own cooking events for friends and other users. So, gone are the days of opening your pantry to find you're missing a key ingredient or needing food inspiration. With our innovative mobile technology, we have created a platform for users to buy and sell ingredients, post and share photos and recipes, and host their own cooking and pop up dinner events. And we have a beautiful image right here. So, a little more about us. We're committed to creating meaningful memories and meals. At Pantry, we wanted to create a seamless and user friendly platform for all cooks, no matter if you're a seasoned chef or a novice cook. And so, some of the features that our app offers are a geolocation feature, which allows users to connect with chefs and other users. We wanted to keep this walkable and we wanted to make the implementation in cities and apartment complexes as seamless as possible. So the location cutoff will be half a mile to get into the next feature, which is the ability to buy and sell ingredients. We would only want users' mobile pantries to be available to users near them, so that if someone wanted to realistically just borrow a cup of sugar, a pinch of salt, whatever they may need, they can easily walk to someone within their building or down the street from them. And lastly, they have the ability to post, share, and save recipes, and they'd be able to sort them by different ingredients, cuisine type, and if they have any special dietary issues, if they're gluten-free or vegan. So we wanted to be inclusive with our app. And a little more about how it works. We will get into that more, or you can check it out on your own. But I want to show you the ingredients near you. They're going to be down here, so you can scroll through the different products that we have, and they would be within walkable distance from you. So these are just some of the examples of where these items would be. And if you wanted to create your pantry profile, when you first start using the app, to get started, you would submit a profile request. You would include your name, your email, just the subject, whether you're a novice cook or a pro, and you would like what the status of your application was, your phone number and your address, so we would be able to input your location in the user base, and you would be able to connect with other users that were near you and just add you to our software. And a message about yourself to create your profile, just whatever your favorite foods are, a little bit of background, whatever the user would want to add. In a commitment to providing the safest and freshest ingredients available, we ask that our users don't put ingredients up that are particularly perishable or are just unsafe. Obviously, this would be at the discretion of everyone's common sense. I think if you wanted to sell something that maybe would expire quickly, but someone else really wanted it, I think that because we want it to be a peer-to-peer service, they would be able to, when they meet, discuss what they think a fair price is, if they're really only borrowing a little bit, if payment is even necessary. And that kind of goes into a little bit of where we would like get our profits from. So ideally, when the user would download the app, they would pay a $5 fee upfront to us for the app to be able to use it. and any other internal payments for ingredients for any sort of cooking events, a class or some sort of event, they would all be conducted within the app between the users. So we kind of wanted to take a step back out of that and make it give it the ability to be just something from the goodness of someone's heart. Like really like the age-old tradition of knocking on your neighbor's door and borrowing a cup of sugar. And that really is where the inspiration came from. So thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy our app.